my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Today's video is an open collab that's being given by the Decorated Party Tea Club. Our host is Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living. Our co-hostesses are Style with Pat, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Maury Key's Happy Home Decor, The Rodgers House, Buckeye Girls, Wreaths and Things, Table Talk with Robin, and myself, Diva Decorating. All of these wonderful ladies have great channels and are so inspiring and creative. Please check out their channels. Now for this tea party, you were free to choose your own theme and style that you wanted. For all the rules and info, just click on my community tab on my channel. I'll take lemon with my tea, please. That's my theme. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. you enjoyed my lemon tea party tablescape. I encourage you to watch all the videos on the playlist to see some really great tablescapes. And also, I would like to thank the host, Lady Phoenix, and all my co-hostesses. Bye-bye, my loves.